This is pretty much the home screen of the application. You have a lot of options which you can use. This is pretty much a AI designer application here, which pretty much design your home. So you can see here not just your outside appearance or exterior design of your house, also the interior as well. So all this pretty much works. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of your house. For example, as you can see here, well, let me just go back real quick. So all you have to do is pretty much just upload a clear image of your interior or exterior design or your garden design or garden or a picture of a garden, and the AI will design it for you. So for example, the interior option here, I'll be able to upload a photo. And for example, as you can see here, these are some examples I'm going to try and show you guys. So let's say, for example, this is my current interior of my house that I want to design. Just tap on the continue option, and this is the bathroom here. So I'm going to select the bathroom option there, and as well how will give me the option to, as it relates to how I want to design the style here. You can see here, we have the luxurious style, you have a lot of styles, you have the Gen Z styles, you have a lot of styles which you can use. And I'm going to tap on continue. Here you can select the mode. Each of these modes do come with information as it relates to what it is. As you can see here, and as well you can tap on the surprise me option here, which pretty much gives you random colors. As well you can use these other colors here as well. But I'm going to tap on surprise me and tap on continue, and it will start generating the design for you. So that's how you pretty much use this application. Very easy to use, nothing hard for you to not understand. And in the explore option, you can see other options which you can use as well. These are other templates designs which you can use for your interior or exterior designs. And also you have the history section. This is pretty much where you see all your designs, or all the designs will show. As you can see here, this is the after results of the design that I've showed. And if I do want to remove the watermark of this video, of this image, here just tap on the remove watermark option. But as you can see here, I will need a subscription to do so. So as you can see here, as it relates to their subscription prices, they have a lifetime subscription, a 1-year subscription, and a weekly subscription. Pretty much shows you what you'll be getting with their subscription here. And down here, I'll be able to edit it a bit. If I want something different, I can regenerate this design here. I can also save it. If I don't like it complete, I can pretty much go ahead and delete it if I want. And it will pretty much show in here in this section here. You can tap on the select option, select the section here that I want to delete, and I can go ahead and delete the design. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So that's how you use this application here. If you have any problem at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you out.